Hello, in this video we will discuss about why don't we get heart cancer. So in this way we will discuss about first of all the cancer mechanism. So the cancer occur due to cell replication. So the replication means the cell will replicate, but the damaged cell will uncontrolled replication will lead to proliferation and their rapid mitotic cell division due to the damage of the DNA. So here is the normal tissue undergo the mitosis will lead to replicate and divide is known as mitosis. So the radiation and the epigenetic and other factors, the DNA damage, mutation, chronic infection and viral attack, bad lifestyle and pollution, which that is all is the cancer factor, and this will lead to change the DNA. After the change of the DNA, the cell will proliferate more and uncontrolled cell division due to the DNA dysregulation means the dysfunction the normal cell. So the growth factor will bind with the growth receptor on the upper surface of the cell, will increase the growth and proliferation, and the mitotic factor also bind, and the damaged cell basically a damaged cell will stage 0 to undergo the stage 1 of the cancer cell, while the growth factor receptor healthy cell will regulate, and in this way the normal tissue develop. So anyway, here you can see this is the growth factor receptor and stage 1, which that is cell will be undergo the damaging effect will lead to proliferation, and stage 2 which that will lead to go the stage 3, and the stage 2 is curable while the stage 3 to stage 4 is uncurable, and the angiogenesis will be formed, and the differentiation of the cell will lead to enter into the blood circulatory system and target to the different tissue and organ, for example liver, brain and eyes in circulation blood, and heart, kidney and stomach and gastrointestinal tract. But in case of the stomach, so it will not affect. But when target to the different organ and tissue will lead to reside that cell invasion, and in this way the invasion of that cell will cause the cancer also in the different organ, and this is the progressive phase, and in this way the progression in stage 4 after the angiogenesis and tumor formation. So the why don't we get heart cancer? So there are many reasons. So first of all, here is the heart, which that is called the right atrium, apex of the heart, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle, while on the other hand the aorta, pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. This pulmonary artery which that is blood through to move to, eject to the lungs and carry through pulmonary vein. So let's begin to understand the layer of heart. This is the three layer generally we will discuss now. So the endocardium, myocardium and epicardium. So the endocardium means the innermost layer of the heart, which that is contain a fibrous tissue, and which that will not allow to invasion of the cancer cell, which that is after the stage 4 the invasion will not occur. And on the other hand, the epicardium is basically here is not get any space to reside the cancer cell for tumor, and tumor will not generate, and the prevention of hypertrophy is the important mechanism, and the myocardial cell and intercalated disc are present. This is the structure of the myocardium and prevention of hypertrophy generally. The myocardial cell prevent to replicate more like somatic cell, and Their division stop after puberty as much as possible, but the limited growth of cells can be occur for normal maintenance, but rare, not too much. So endocardium here is it is the strong specialized cells which is prevented by invasion of cancer cell. So the protection will be occur. So this protection will lead to a unique, a marvel situation of the heart, a marvel property of the heart. And this the coronary circulation can be invasion the cancer cell 1% but no any space to grow because the circulation is limited. In this way the less circulation in the coronary, in this way the invasion will impossible. So here is number one is the heart cell do not split and divide like other organs, so it's impossible. The only time when embryo develop the heart cell divide, otherwise adult no more. And around birth, the switch that controls whether heart cell divide turns off and remain off, and any tumor that exists not grow stop. And number four is the fact that heart cells don't divide is good news when it comes to cancer, but also means that after a heart attack, tissue cannot regenerate. So that is why the tissue cannot regenerate. It means the heart tissue is non-replicated, undividable. The heart is mostly made of muscle cells and these expand in proportion to body size but don't multiply. So remember, so when don't multiply due to the intercalated disc which that is attached and the pumping of the blood is efficiently work continuously. Cell of the heart not replication means require less energy for growth. So the blood supply of coronary artery smaller and less permeable, and in this way, invasion of cancer cells from stage 4 not occur from another organ produces when. But in this case, the coronary artery disease occur due to the problem, but the cancer will not occur. So in this way, the heart will not divide the cell of the heart. So that is why the cancer will not occur. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Bye.